guys, Lemon here in our land and Astor. Today we got to open up squishies. Yeah! Which one should I open first? Oh, to forget one more thing. There was one more squishies. Here it is. I'm going to open the rainbow squishy, and I'm going to open the purple one, and I will open the pink one. Okay, who wants to open this? How about Astor? Thank you. Can you hand me scissors? Yeah, I will. Hello. How about when the house open? Okay. By the way, we have a couch magnet. I hope you like the couch design. Okay, I'm going to put it back. Tomorrow we got to see no. Okay, we go. So stay tuned for tomorrow. What am I going to do? Okay. It's just satisfying. Come on. Here is. Okay. Here is. Now it's my turn. It's our turn. Yippee! Not I want to see mine. Can you see? There's a card, I think. Yeah, it's a card. Oh, of us. Let's open it. We can open it. Oh my god. So cute. So cute. Okay, you can turn the side. I love it. Oh my god, it's so cute over there. Yeah. Yeah, we have two more. This one is a bunny, and this one is a bill, and this one is a pig. So cute. Okay, I saw. Open up. Okay, yes, I'm going to open up, and I'm going to open it up. Okay. Oh my god, so cute. Oink, oink, oink. Oh my god, it is a sign. So cute design. I love it. Okay, I love it. Get mine. Yeah. Love it. Let's see our last test. So, oh my god, this is so squeezy. This one too. My turn again. Yep. let's just see if it's a bunny. It shows like a chicken. So to me it shows like a chicken. If it shows like it shows like a bunny, but like the mouth it's hard. But no, so like a beak. So I'm calling this one a bunny. Now the final squishy is this. I did see the test of this. And the tail. This. If you want to see more of this, like and subscribe or like. If you really subscribe, you're welcome. I love meeting no subscribers and no people. Sometimes I can know this because of the I mean. Okay, here it is. It's so green. I got the ears. Oh my god. That's all. Thank you for watching. I will be appreciate if you watch and welcome to the channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome and share or like or subscribe if you want. And if you want more, please comment, subscribe, like, or share if you want. Yeah. And see you in the next video. Bye.